Fox, Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Dun, yada yada yada, however you want to know me. It's your girl. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? So I am super excited because I have a package in the mail and I'm almost positive I know what this is. So this is going to be an unboxing video. So this actually couldn't have came at a better time because I didn't expect it to come today. I thought it would come tomorrow, which is Monday. Today is Sunday, and I was actually about to head out and I got a knock on the door, so I thought this would be perfect to do the unboxing. I might not be testing the product out today simply because I have things to do. So let's just go ahead and open up the box. So this is actually the contour. This is the blush trio from Marèna Beautè. I really want to say Marèna Beauty because, you know, it's spelled beauty in French. So I have the blush trio from Marèna Beauty, and this is what comes in it, this beautiful card with different shades of women here, and it just says, "Dear customer, thank you so much for your purchase, love and support. We hope you enjoy using it as much as we enjoyed creating it. We put our hearts and souls into each and every product. We'd love to hear your thoughts at www.marenabeautea.com. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Love, D. Marèna." So I think the owner's name, I'm not even gonna go there. Not even gonna go there. So this was the thank you card. This was the shipping. It was wrapped up really nice in the bubble mailer. I mean the bubble. What is this, baby? What is this called? Bubble wrap. That's what I'm trying to say. I had a brain fart. It was wrapped up really nice in the bubble wrap. It came in this small little white box. It is just wrapped with paper with the logo. Let's slide it out. And already I'm just absolutely loving it. The packaging is very chic and very sleek. It's like a matte satin finish, and then it has the rose gold metallic logo, which is the M and the B. Baby, do you speak French? This is the Bronze Peach collection. It retails for $76. It is 3 of their best-selling blushes. Let me take it out the box, and this is what it looks like. Now this is so beautiful and chic and perfect for your collection. If you're one of those girls that like the very professional packaging and simple packaging like myself. So it just has the MB on it and a gloss, and it's just matte with Marèna Beautè right here in rose gold. So opening it up, and this is what it looks like. It does not come with a mirror, and that's okay. So these are 3 of their best-selling blushes. I actually look at Chocolate like it is a contour because it's super, super dark. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this palette because I used all 3 of these blushes individually, and I'm just grateful that they put it in a palette. You know, it just makes sense. These 3 supposed to be together. I cannot wait for them to launch more palettes and trios together. This is the sweet brown right here on the far right, and then you have chocolate in the middle, and then you have maroon peach over here on the end. I think that the palette is pretty thick. These are pretty thick palettes. I'm gonna do a few swatches so you guys could see what they look like individually. Like I said, it includes sweet brown, which is a matte apricot brown, and then it has chocolate, which is a shimmery rich brown. It also features maroon peach, which is a shimmery warm peach. So it's 7 grams and 0.25 ounces. As far as shipping, that's the only thing that's really tricky, the shipping. Because they are based in the UK, it takes about a month for everything to get over here. So it says on the website that it has, you know, 3 processing days, and then it takes anywhere between 10 to 15 days to actually ship out here. Mine took about roughly 20 to 22 days to get here. So that's basically a month in my opinion. So I will say, if you guys are planning on ordering from their website, you definitely want to get a lot in bulk. You don't want to be, you don't really want to order 1 and 2 at a time, considering the wait time. Okay, you guys, so what's up? Really quick, I want to throw a disclaimer out there. If you guys hear anything in the background, I do have some family over and I do have my air purifier going, so it might be a little noise in the background. So this is a completely new day and I'm starting out with my full face completely on, to where we are only focused on our contour. Hi, say hey. Also, if you guys want to know about the lashes are from Ace Dollhouse. You guys can check the link in the description box below. As well as my eyeshadow, I used my Norvina Volume 3 palette to complete this look. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches. Just dust my powder off. The powder that I used is my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium. So I'm just dusting this off. Okay, so now that I have my powder dusted off, let's go ahead and tap into our Marèna Beautè palette. Again, you guys, it is Marèna Beautè, Marèna Beautè, Marèna Beauty, however you want to pronounce it. Those are just some of the names and how I've been hearing it pronounced on YouTube. So we are just going to jump in and use the Sweet Brown shade. I would use Sweet Brown to sculpt the face, kind of like the sculpting shade in the Black Radiance palette. So let's just go ahead and take Sweet Brown with our e.l.f. angled brush. And I'm going to zoom in so you guys could see the coverage. So we are just going to start on this side of our face and lightly dust Sweet Brown on our skin. And you guys can just really see how pigmented that is. Super pigmented. And it is a very luxurious formula. It glides on the skin very evenly and very smoothly, and it almost looks super airbrushed. And Sweet Brown is beautiful when you just want to lightly contour and sculpt your face. However, we're gonna jump right into Chocolate. And this is a dark shade, and it has a few shimmers in it, and I'm excited about that because I know the shimmers won't show up too much. So you can really use this as a bronzer as well, depending on how dark your skin is. But I'm actually just going to take this and use it as a contour with the same e.l.f. angled brush. And you guys could definitely see how pigmented that is and how much darker that made the contour look. So I'm going for a super contoured and highlight look so you guys could see the formula and how well these work. And I'm actually going to take Chocolate all around my face and everywhere that I contoured. And also on the sides of my nose. Now let's go in with Maroon Peach. Now this is a beautiful shimmery peach shade. It has some specks of rose gold in it, like I mentioned before. I'm going to take the same angled blush brush and just tap into it, dust it off a little bit, and just give myself a light blush look. Super pigmented, and it's very beautiful. Now if you have a heavy hand with this, you can end up looking really clownish, so you definitely have to take your time with that. But this is the outcome so far without me finishing the rest of my face. I really love that Maroon Peach color, so I'm just going to take that under my eye because I think it matches my eyeshadow. And lightly dust this under the eye. I'm gonna take my Pixie from Head to Toe glowy powder in the shade Fetch. This is a beautiful highlight. It has a rose gold pink tone to it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this with my stippling brush. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like the look that I put together. Overall, I think that these products are super luxe. This is definitely a very high-end brand and everything is worth the price. The pan sizes are very large, so you're definitely getting a bang for your buck. And like I said, the quality of the formula is just super luxurious, and you're going to be able to use a little bit and get a lot of pigment out of that. So you're going to be able to have these products for a very long time. Like I mentioned before, the only thing I don't really care for is the shipping. It takes about a month to get here, anywhere between 20 to 30 days, honestly, if you're in the US. And so, you know, that's like really the only downside. Other than that, you guys, I definitely recommend you guys check these products out. I'll leave everything in a description box below to where you can check them out. I'll also leave their information somewhere here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of the gang.